If your Anthurium never blooms, you might be overlooking something very important in the plant's root system. When the roots are healthy and well aerated, the plant absorbs nutrients better and begins forming new flower buds. In today's video, I'll show you a simple natural fertilizer and the right way to use it to help Anthurium grow stronger roots and produce more blooms. Let's get started. Before continuing with the next care steps, I first inspect the Anthurium plant carefully. During observation, I noticed that some flowers have already wilted or dried out. These faded flowers no longer contribute to the plant's growth and may even consume nutrients, slowing the development of healthier parts of the plant. Removing wilted flowers is therefore a small but important step that helps keep the plant healthier and ready to absorb nutrients in the next care steps. Today, I will use rice to create a natural nutrient solution that supports root development and helps Anthurium plants grow healthier. First, add about 5 teaspoons of rice into a clean glass jar to begin preparing the nutrient solution. Then add about 1 liter of boiling water and gently stir so the rice spreads evenly in the water. Once the mixture is well stirred, let it sit for about 60 minutes so the natural nutrients from the rice can gradually dissolve and diffuse into the water. First, we use about 2 tablespoons of unsweetened milk to begin preparing a care solution for the Anthurium plant. Milk contains small amounts of proteins, minerals, and micronutrients that can support plant growth when properly diluted. Next, add about 600 milliliters of clean water. Then stir well so the milk dissolves completely and forms a diluted, stable solution. Once the mixture is properly diluted, it can be used to water or care for the Anthurium plant, helping support healthier growth. Method 1. Use a clean cotton pad soaked in the diluted milk solution. Then gently wipe across the surface of the Anthurium leaves. Move the cotton gently along the direction of the leaf to avoid damaging the leaf surface. While doing this step, I would also love to know which country you are watching this video from. Welcome to the Flower Care Garden channel. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's amazing that plant lovers from around the world can connect here. Wiping Anthurium leaves with a diluted milk solution helps remove dust, mineral deposits, and impurities from the leaf surface. When the surface is clean, the epidermis and stomata remain more open and functional. This allows gas exchange and light absorption to work more efficiently, supporting the plant's photosynthesis process. In addition, milk contains small amounts of minerals such as calcium and micronutrients. When properly diluted, they can help support a stable environment on the leaf surface. You should apply this method about once or twice a month to keep Anthurium leaves clean and healthy. When Anthurium leaves remain clean and healthy, the plant can optimize nutrient accumulation, creating favorable conditions for strong root growth and new flower bud formation. Method 2. Pour the diluted milk solution into a spray bottle, then gently mist it over the entire Anthurium plant. Including the leaves and stems, keep a distance of about 20 to 30 centimeters so the solution forms a thin mist across the leaves. When spraying, try to cover both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves, since these areas contain stomata that play an important role in gas exchange. Spraying a diluted milk solution on Anthurium plants can provide small amounts of protein, calcium, and natural micronutrients directly onto the leaf surface. These nutrients can support the physiological activity of the leaves and help them remain healthier and more stable during growth. When leaf surfaces are properly maintained, gas exchange and light absorption become more efficient, supporting photosynthesis and helping the plant accumulate energy more effectively. You should apply this method about once or twice a month to keep Anthurium leaves clean and healthy. When leaves are clean and healthy, the plant absorbs nutrients better, supporting root growth and flower bud formation. After soaking for the required time, stir the mixture well. Then filter out the rice residue and keep only the rice solution to use for the Anthurium plant. During soaking, some natural nutrients from the rice gradually dissolve into the water, creating a mild nutrient solution that plants can absorb more easily. Next, add about 1,000 milliliters of clean water to dilute the solution before using it on the plant. Diluting the solution helps balance the nutrient concentration, allowing Anthurium roots to absorb organic compounds and micronutrients more effectively while reducing the risk of osmotic stress on the root system. Method 3. After the rice solution has been properly diluted, I will water this solution directly onto the entire growing medium of the Anthurium plant. When watering, apply it evenly around the base so the solution slowly reaches the root zone. Rice water contains small amounts of starch, B vitamins, and dissolved organic compounds that can help support the root environment. When used at a properly diluted concentration, this solution can help improve root activity and support more efficient absorption of water and nutrients. Applying rice water periodically also helps maintain a stable growing medium, supporting healthy root development and better growth for the Anthurium plant. Method 4. Dry the leaves to protect the plant and reduce disease risk. After completing the care steps, I use a clean, soft cloth to gently wipe and dry the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves. When wiping, move the cloth along the direction of the leaf to avoid damaging the natural leaf surface. Drying the leaves removes any remaining water on the leaf surface and between the leaf joints. This is important because standing water can create a favorable environment for fungi and bacteria. In addition, when the leaves are clean and dry, the surface remains more breathable, allowing the plant to perform gas exchange and photosynthesis more efficiently. With simple ingredients like rice and milk, we can create a completely natural way to care for Anthurium right at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and Subscribe to Flower Care Garden for more natural plant care tips in future videos.